Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about edit video apps. In this video, I will show you on how to create an overlay like this, either image or video reaction in your edit app, just like what you see right here. So you can see this type of overlay right here. If you really want to learn how to create it, consider to stay tuned to this video from beginning to the end and see how you can actually create different kind of video overlay using your edit app without any stress. You can as well overlay a video from Reels. You can as well overlay a video or picture from your gallery. Take a look at this one right here. If you want to learn how to do something like this, consider to stay tuned. So let's get started. I'm going to access from my Instagram app right here, and then you want to make sure you download and install Edit app. Edit app is a free app by Meta that allow you to edit your video for social media. So for that, go ahead and install it on your Android phone or iPhone, and it's a free app. After a successful installation, go ahead and open the app and then make sure you log in successful with your Instagram account. After a successful login with your Instagram account, go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. This allow you to import your project file. So I'm going to click on this plus sign right here. Now, one thing here is that you can either live camera record your video, or better still, pre-record video from your gallery. So in this regard, I'm going to select pre-record video from a gallery right here. Then what we want to do next here is to select a particular video. So I'm going to click on recent, and then I'm going to go ahead and then navigate to videos right here, which allow me to select a primary video right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select any of the video in my gallery. So I'm going to select this video as an example right here, import the video. So once I select the video, I'll click on this check mark right here to import the video into Edit app. So allow the video to load up just like so. And the next thing we want to do is to properly adjust and expand our video. For that, click on the video and enlarge as much as possible. Everything depends on what exactly you really want to achieve. Now we have this particular video right here. Now we want to add overlay of picture or video from the top or bottom, as the case may be. So how do we do that? What we want to do here is to come down below right here, slide in right here, slide in right here, continue to slide until you find overlay. So continue to slide right here, continue to slide. So how do we overlay in this video? So first thing first, make sure the video was not selected. Once the video was not selected, slide it this way until you get to overlay right here. Go ahead and click on overlay. So I'm going to go ahead and click on overlay. Now in this tutorial, we want to see how we can overlay from Reels. Go ahead and click on Reels. This allows you to pick any video randomly from Reels and use it as an overlay. So you can go ahead and check video from your saved Reels, or better still, check video from your personal Reels, or better still, you can search for video Reels. Let's say I'm looking for funny reaction video. Let's say funny video. So I'm going to go ahead and search for funny video and search. I'm going to click on this one right here. So I'm going to, like for instance, if I want to create a reaction on this particular type of video, so what I'm going to do is to go ahead and select the video. Once you select the video, it's going to automatically load into your Edit app right here. So just like so, we have the video right here. Now, what we want to do now is that we need to adjust the video. So I will just go ahead and drag the video. So for instance, I want the video to be at the top right here, and I will zoom in and to increase the size of the video just like so. I'll make sure I click on my video right here. I will make sure you can see, and then go back to edit. I will make sure I click on my video right here. I will just drag it down a little bit. Now I have two video right here. So if I want the video to start, let's for instance my video start to play right here, then we have the reaction video from the top just like so. Then you can go on and use different tools in this regard. Once you are satisfied with the video, so you can see it right here. So once you are satisfied with the video, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and export your video. So you can see Okay, so let's play the video again, and then reaction video is on the top, and then my reaction is on the bottom right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this on how to create different kind of social media reaction and overlay templates like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.